Tip number 1 would be to always plant your cactuses in a pot. Don't put them in the ground because you're gonna have to weed and mow around them and you don't wanna have to deal with these guys. Tip number 2 would be to always get a pot with a hole in the bottom. You can see I violated my own rule on this guy. A terracotta pot with a hole at the bottom for drainage is gonna be your best option unless you wanna rot your cactus like this one is. Pick a pot that's the right size for your cactus. If you got a little cactus, put it in a little pot. If you got a big cactus, get yourself a big pot. If you have a little cactus in a big pot, it's going to be tough to keep that guy watered right because its roots are going to not be able to reach the water that's sunk to the bottom of the pot. Lastly, not every cactus actually likes full sun, so I like to keep mine under a palm tree to break up that midday sun. Plastic takeout food containers actually make great seed starter packages. All I did was wet the paper towel, snap the lid on, and leave it in a windowsill. I basically forgot about it for about 3 weeks. And then I went to check on it and it had all these beautiful little green cactus babies.